for discussion basic concept of chemistry. First of all, we read about the definition of chemistry. Various scientists give the definition of chemistry. Linus Pauling, the scientist, Linus Pauling give the definition of chemistry. The chemistry is the study of substance with respect to their properties is known as chemistry. Chemistry is the part of science in which we deals the study of physical and chemical properties of substances with respect to their structure, geometry, etc. known as the chemistry. The purpose of chemistry is that in various areas like medicine, agriculture, texture, industries, and the substance which used in different purpose, for example taxol and cisplatin are the chemical which used in treatment of cancer, and azatine, azithromycin used in AIDS treatment. There are various anti-allergic, antipyretic like paracetamol, dyes, drugs, etc. Next one, the matter. We know that matter is anything. Matter is anything which occupy the space and have fixed mass. World or universe is composed of matter, means everything is matter, and matter occupy the space and has fixed mass. Weight change according to gravitational force, but mass of substance will not change. It is fixed in everywhere. Matter is classified on the basis of physically and chemically. Matter physically divided into following three forms, mostly important: solid, liquid, gas. The solid state of matter which have fixed shape and volume. It is of two types: amorphous solid and crystalline solid. Amorphous solid like glass, and crystalline solid like crystal of NaCl, iron, copper, silver, etc. Next one, the state of matter liquid have fixed volume but not shape. And the next one, gaseous state have neither fix, shape, nor volume. These are the matters physically: three states: solid, liquid, gas. Gas has no its volume. The volume of gas is the volume of container. Next one, chemically matter divided or classified into following groups: pure and impure. Element is the pure state of matter according to Robert Boyle, who give the definition of element, says that elements are the pure substance which made up of same type of atoms. This is the definition of element. Elements are classified: metal, non-metal, and metalloids. Metals are alkali, non-metals are halogens, and metalloids are silicon, germanium, etc. The compound is the pure substance which is made up of fixed proportion or fixed definite proportion of elements which obtained in any resources. For example, water is a compound in which hydrogen and oxygen in 1:8 by mass, and hydrogen 11.2% and oxygen 88.8%. The compound are also two type: inorganic compound and organic compound. Inorganic compound are those which obtained or found in non-living resources, and organic compound which obtained or found in living resources. Next one, the mixture is the impure. Mixture is the impure matter which made up of or some or addition of two or more substances. This is the mixture. Mixture also two type: homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture which have same phase, it means these are uniform in mixture. For example, sugar in water, and these are show isotropic property. This is the homogeneous mixture. Next one, heterogeneous mixture. The mixture have different phase of different component. These are non-uniform in nature. Example, sand in water, and these are anisotropic properties. Next one, The discussion topic is Dalton atomic theory. This theory was given by Dalton in 1803 to 1808, and according to this theory, every substance made up of a small particle called atom. Atom neither created nor destroyed or and not be transformable. One element to another element. Atom of same element are atoms of same elements are same in properties, atoms of different elements different in properties, atoms forms compound in fixed proportion. Atoms are indestructible and indivisible. These are the postulates or the theory of Dalton's given with respect to the atoms. Next one, the topic is accuracy. What is accuracy? Accuracy is the defined as the closeness of single measurement to the true value. This is the definition of accuracy, the closeness of single measurement to the true value. Next one, precision. Precision is defined as the closeness of different measurement to each other. This is the definition of precision. It is noted that a precision value precision measurement or value may or may not have may not have accuracy, but accuracy do not have precision. These are the some notes or topics which I have discussed. We will discuss about significant figure, scientific number and next topics in next video.